Hello everyone! Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. In this video, we are going to learn Java Spring Boot API integration step by step with a real-time project approach. You will understand how to create REST APIs using Spring Boot and how front-end applications communicate with a Spring Boot backend. This video is perfect for beginners, students, and job seekers. Let's get started. What is API integration in Spring Boot? API integration in Spring Boot means creating REST APIs that allow front-end applications to communicate with the backend server. Spring Boot APIs exchange data using HTTP methods and JSON format. Common HTTP methods are GET for fetch data, POST for create data, PUT for update data, DELETE for delete data. Why use Spring Boot for API development? Spring Boot is widely used because easy and fast project setup, embedded Tomcat server, annotation-based configuration, clean and scalable architecture, industry standard for backends development. Creating REST APIs in Spring Boot, key annotations used are @REST controller, @GET mapping, @POST mapping, @PUT mapping, @DELETE mapping, @REQUEST body, and @PATH variable. These annotations help in handling HTTP requests and responses efficiently. Request and response flow in Spring Boot API. Client sends an HTTP request, controller receives the request, service layer processes business logic, repository interacts with the database, response is sent back as JSON response. Integrating front-end with Spring Boot API. Front-end sends API request, Spring Boot API processes the request, data is returned as JSON response. Front-end displays the data in UI. Real-time Spring Boot project flow. Front-end, Angular or React, down to Spring Boot controller, down to service layer, down to repository, down to database, and up to JSON response. Interview tips. Spring Boot is mainly used for REST API development. APIs return data in JSON format. Controllers handle HTTP requests. Service layer contains business logic. Repository layer handles database operations. So friends, in this video, we learned Java Spring Boot API integration clearly with a real-time project explanation. If you found this video useful, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Yajentio Training Academy. In upcoming videos, we will cover Spring Boot CRUD applications, Angular plus Spring Boot integration, Java interview questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.